Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind.
Hey trendsetters, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into the video. So today I will be doing my boho knotless locks, and I pretty much do a boho knotless braid first, and then I take the afro kinky hair and wrap it around. So pretty much I wanted to do a pickaboo look, so I did like the number 30 and number 4 in the back, and then towards the top I'm going to do my regular hair color, which is a 1B. And as you can see, I am pretty much just feeding in the hair, which is the number 30, and I'm going to go up like at least 4 rows for the number 30 just to give that pickaboo effect. And then as you can see, I am adding in the human hair pieces, and I actually had this number 4 hair, human hair, laying around, so it worked with what hairstyle I was going for. And so pretty much I'm just going to feed in the boho pieces all throughout my braid, and I fed in at least 3 pieces on to stick out, and then towards the end I left it down, so 4 pieces in total. And depending on the fullness of how much you want, you can add as many pieces as you can, but to me it was pretty full, so at least four boho knotless pieces on each braid was good for me. And as you can see now, I'm just kind of taking it, adding that last boho piece to the end. I'm not going to flip that up. I'm going to braid that and down to the braid. And then after I do that, on the next clip, I am going to go ahead and wrap the hair. So when you wrap the hair, you definitely want to start at the roots. And I'm going to start at the root and pretty much go around my boho human hair pieces, so that way I can still have that effect, but it stays in. It's super secure. I know some people, I noticed that they don't braid down all the way and it kind of just wrap just to be faster. But me, I'm gonna take my time on myself. I'm gonna take my time on my clients, because I want them to be able to wear their hairstyle as long as possible, especially if you're paying a pretty penny for your hairstyle. So I'm guaranteed for my hairstyle to last at least 3 to 4 months just on the proper maintenance, even going to get it retouched up in the front and all of that. So pretty much I'm just pretty much going down, and I think I had like 24 inches, and I used the Expressions hair, I believe. I think it was Expressions. They had some kinky fro hair, but it was bohemian, y'all. So they definitely had that. I'm pretty much going to list everything that I used down in the description below. And if you run out at the bottom, you can just go ahead and take another piece and add hair. You don't want to make it too thick, because you don't want your hair to be super heavy. To me, this is super lightweight. I can put it on top of my head and my neck does not hurt, you guys. So this definitely is a convenient hairstyle, a get up and go type of hairstyle. And pretty much I'm going to continue to do the same thing all throughout my head. Once I get to the top, that's where I'm going to get that 1B after those like 4 to 5 rows, and do the same thing with the 1B color. As you can see, this is how the lock looks after I have finished completing it. And yeah, y'all, if you like this tutorial, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and make sure you comment, subscribe, share. And if you are in the Houston, Texas area, I definitely can do this style on you. I provide the hair, the wash, the whole 9. So I'm gonna leave my booking link in the description below. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to talk to you soon, trendsetters, and I love you. And I also want you to stay tuned for the end results. They definitely came out fire, and y'all just stay tuned for more tutorials. They are on the way. And yeah, talk to y'all soon.
path when we sliding. Protect gang when we vibing. Leave it up to you, know you got it. I've been trying to pray more, trying to stay tapped in. I ain't even close to what I was back then. Going straight forward like the whip when it's back then. We don't even care if it's black tints. We don't have no fear when we locked in. All touch and agree, that's a mountain. Fake strong as a lion. What's prior to a God that still provide for ones who deny them? Oh Lord, man, you got the whip when we ride. Overlook the path when we sliding. Protect gang when we vibing. Leave it up to you, know you got it. Oh Lord, man, you got the whip when we ride. Overlook the path when we sliding. Protect gang when we vibing. Leave it up to you, know you got it.
Who pays the battles? Who stands before you? It's not meant for me to hold my ground. Give it up, lift the weight off my chest.